De las playas de San Diego. Soy la que pago todo lo que quiero. Nada me hace feliz ni el dinero. Lo único que quiero es...
YouTube content creator. My name is Carina Rivera. Welcome to my channel. I am a YouTube content creator, and this month is my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. I wanted to start a new series for you guys. When I tell people that I'm a content creator, usually people think I am a spicy content creator, but not at all. I just create awareness on scam websites and report to you ladies, and also have an amazing, beautiful community there on Facebook. I just want to thank every one of you for helping me on my journey. And here is a little bit of the back life of being a YouTuber for all you girls that are interested in becoming an influencer and how I did it. This is in North Dakota, and I'm wearing my Lady Boss shirt, which is also available on my website at ladybossgiftshop.com. Creating content. A lot of you are creating content and are not using it right. Sometimes you are being asked to pay for the shipping, but you shouldn't be asked to pay to promote a company that might not give you any value or your money back in the return. Super simple solution. If you have a local company in your area that has an actual physical store that you can reach out to, or a friend of yours that owns a company, maybe reaching out to them to be a brand ambassador and supporting an actual existing company, and that will help you create a portfolio for your Instagram and keep posting them once a week. And I promise you they will appreciate it, and I'm sure you can get a commission code as well. Photography is very, very important. You want to make sure that all your pictures that you are posting are looking good and the quality is looking sharp. Ladies, it's 2022. Your pictures have to be on point. Try to reach out to some local photographers, usually via Instagram or Facebook. Always bring a friend along. Find your niche. Your niche is what you're good at. It is your topic that people come to you because you are the expert on that topic. When people relate to that topic, they should be one of the first things that come up should be you. So if you're posting, for example, stuff about hair, and then stuff about music, and then stuff about cooking, you're kind of confusing the audience. Make sure you have an audience that you are willing to target and people can definitely feel relatable to you, as well as they come to you to find information. You ever found that saying that if you love something, do it, and one day it will become your full-time job? It's exactly the same way. Do not give up. Keep posting. Create content. But don't be all over the place that you are confusing your audience. You want them to be able to subscribe or follow the page without you confusing them. Branding yourself. Ladies, it's very important to start branding yourself, and especially early on when you are starting your YouTube channel, your Instagram. As you can see right here, I'm actually wearing my apparel everywhere that I go. I usually have a Lady Boss t-shirt with me. Right here you can see Daily Dream Luxury Lash. That's the company that I'm promoting right there. You can use promo code LadyBoss619 for a promo code. Anytime you're about to work with a company, ladies, look it up. It is very important for you to know who you are working with. Collaborations. Collaborations are very important. If you're an artist, for example, it is very, very good idea for you to reach out to local artists, create a song, create collaborations, get your name out there, any type of exposure that you can get with another content creator, musician, artist. It is very good for you to do that, but just make sure that you are not paying for any type of shipping if they are using the word collaboration, because it can usually mean a scam. So ladies, beware to always do your research. Reality. The reality about being a social media influencer means that you really just get ready, start creating content in the beginning of the day. But a lot of people don't understand that social media is fake. And normally we are like what I am with a messy hair bun, just editing and posting. We are human just like every single one of you. We are not higher or better than anybody. This is just a friendly reminder that this is how we normally look like on a daily basis. And don't forget, social media is very, very fake. Next time you are looking at your social media influencers, don't forget that they are regular people just like you, myself, and I. Create what you love, follow what you love, and eventually the money will follow. Do not give up. Start posting, start creating, start living your best life. Do not compare your life with anybody else's life. Do not compare your subscribers to anybody else's subscribers. I've been on YouTube for 11 years, and it has taken me such a journey to get to where I am today. And I'm barely just seeing my little community grow, my content just get better as I develop as a content creator. I want to thank every single person that has joined me on this really awesome, amazing journey. For my year 2 video, I would never be here if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos. This journey to get to where I am today has been possible because every single one of you, almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I am back, and I am so thankful for every single one of you. Shout outs to SD Voyager, and I can't wait for you guys to see my new content. As you can see, I got a new mic, I got a new camera, and I'm nothing but thrilled. Thank you ladies so much for watching my videos and my comments that I get from you guys. I am so grateful. Thank you all so much. Until next time, boss out.